Understanding the dreaded P0356 code. Has your car's engine been acting up lately? Maybe it's misfiring, idling rough, or lacking power. These are all signs that something might be wrong with your ignition system, and one common culprit is a fault with the ignition coil, specifically flagged by the P0356 code. Don't worry, we'll break down this intimidating code into manageable chunks and guide you through the process of diagnosing and fixing the problem. The P0356 code is a diagnostic trouble code, DTC, that indicates a problem with the ignition coil for cylinder number 6. In simple terms, this code means that the engine's computer is not detecting the correct signal from the ignition coil for that specific cylinder. This can lead to a variety of performance issues and even damage your engine if left unresolved. Many car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics have encountered this code at some point. It can be frustrating to deal with, but understanding the underlying issue and knowing how to troubleshoot it can save you time, money, and unnecessary headaches in the long run. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into what the P0356 code means, how to locate the affected components, and most importantly, how to diagnose and fix the problem. So, buckle up, and let's get your engine running smoothly again. The P0356 code specifically points to a problem with the Ignition Coil F primary-secondary circuit. The F designation in the code typically corresponds to cylinder 6 on most vehicles, although it's always a good idea to double-check your specific car's documentation or use a reliable online resource to confirm this. The primary-secondary circuit refers to the electrical circuit that the ignition coil uses to generate the high-voltage spark needed to ignite the air-fuel mixture in the cylinder. When this circuit malfunctions, the ignition coil cannot generate a strong enough spark, or in some cases any spark at all. This leads to misfires, rough idling, and reduced engine performance. Understanding this basic principle is crucial to grasping the significance of the P0356 code and its impact on your car's engine. Now that we have a clearer understanding of what the P0356 code means, let's move on to locating cylinder 6 and the associated ignition coil in the next section. Before we can start troubleshooting the P0356 code, we need to locate cylinder 6 and its corresponding ignition coil. This might seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward once you understand the basic layout of your engine. In most inline engines, whether it's a 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder, the cylinders are numbered sequentially from the front to the back of the engine. For V6 and V8 engines, the numbering can vary depending on the manufacturer. Generally, one bank of cylinders is numbered 1, 2, 3, and so on, while the other bank is numbered 4, 5, 6, etc. Consult your car's service manual or look for a diagram online specific to your make and model to confirm the cylinder numbering for your engine. Once you've identified cylinder 6, locating the ignition coil is relatively simple. In modern cars, each cylinder typically has its own individual ignition coil that sits directly on top of the spark plug. It's usually a cylindrical component with an electrical connector plugged into it.